Another day of synergy and KPIs, nodding through meetings with glazed over eyes. My boss says, great job on the new think tank. Little does he know I'm the carrion ranked. They see a man who's meek and mild, but toned up in corporate style. But when that clock hits quitting time, I'm a raid boss slaying beast of a guy. I'm a nobody here, just a cog in the gears. From desk jockey shy to MVP high, I hit my reset button at 4:59. Karen from sales asked about my weekend. I say, oh, not much, just lying through my teeth again. She never guessed that I'm the one who took down Ragnaros without armor on. They think I'm just a quiet drone, but my KD ratio says legendary alone. If they could see me clutch this 1v3, they'd fire me just for being OP. I'm a nobody here, just another name tag to disappear. From muted calls to clutch plays all night, I hit my reset button when the time is right. I may not be leadership material, but have you seen my latest speedrun video? Now that's real management! Someday my stream will take, trade my reports for my subscriber base. Till then I'll bide my time, just a sleeping god in business attire. Take that, Karen from sales.